Hi, this is Amy Couchkin, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a resource known as Thinglink. Thinglink allows you to turn images into an interactive story. Images come alive by text, resource, video, music, and so much more, and it's very simple. First, I'm going to show you a couple examples before we start sharing our story. Here on the home page of Thinglink, you can go here by the URL in the top left corner of my page. What you see is a picture, and you can stroll over each of these dots and it will give you different links. Right here it says Richard Nixon, and it will link you to Wikipedia. If I go down here to the arrow, when it loads, it's going to show you a song clip of Elvis Presley that they have tagged. We can go over here to this arrow as well, and it's going to play a video of Elvis meets President Nixon. So you see, all in one photo, it shares many different links to different resources all in one picture. We can also go down here to the bottom and type in anything to discover images. I am going to type in math. When I type in math into the search bar, it brings up tons of different Thinglinks that have already been created throughout this website. I'm going to click on this one right down here. And you see they use this picture in the background, and I can stroll over it. Over here you have Algebra Help, which is a website. I could roll over this, click on here, and it would take me directly to Algebra Help. I could also come down here and it takes me to TeacherTube, and it's going to play me a video. They even have a shopping cart tag. That's going to take you to Amazon, where we can buy our different resources for math. On Thinglink, you can tag anything and you can use any type of picture that you need. Let's go ahead and get started. If this is your first time using Thinglink, you're going to go ahead and join now. For those of you that already have a Thinglink, you're going to log in. You can log in through Facebook or Twitter, or you can just log in using an email. Once you log in, you're ready to create and share your story. We are going to go here, and we're going to click Create. Now, when you click Create, you have many different options. You can upload an image from your hard drive. You can import Facebook photos. You can import photos from a Flickr account, and you can also use a web address. Today, I'm going to use Google. I'm going to create a Thinglink on transformations for my class. So into Google, I'm going to type in transformations, and I'm going to go to images, and you're going to see it's going to bring up all different types. So I'm going to narrow my search, and I'm going to say types of transformations in math. Okay, and we're going to go down. I'm going to scroll until I find just the right one. And you can see here, it's going to, we've all used Google, show tons of different images. It's up to you on which image you choose. I'm going to go back up to the top and choose this one right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this image to my desktop so I can just upload it from my hard drive. Okay, we're going to go back to Thinglink, and you're going to click Choose an Image and drag and drop. When I choose an image, I'm going to go back to my desktop and find the transformation link. And right here, you're going to see it's loading, and it successfully uploaded the video. Then it's going to take you to the next step. Now we're ready to tag our resources. Okay? You can name it whatever we want. We're going to put transformations up here. And now you're ready to tag. Now what a tag is a link to another resource, and you can click and tag any resource that you'd like. Luckily for me, on Bag the Web, I have already created all the resources that I need to tag. Okay, so I'm going to go to Bag the Web, and go ahead and get all my different resources. Right here on the first link I have Math Warehouse, and it tells you where you should begin. The website will allow you to find what a transformation is and what it works. So this is an informational. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this URL and just copy, or if you were using it, you would just go to the website and copy the URL, and then we're just going to click and tag. And this was on all, so you can organize it how you want. I'm going to put it right in the middle and go ahead and put in my link. You can add a description. I'm going to put all about transformations. Then you're allowed to pick which one you want. I'm going to do mine in red, and then I save my tag. Now when you roll over this, once it saves your settings, you'll be able to go right to that. I'm going to go back to Bagot, and my next one is a tutorial. So I'm going to go down here, copy it, and I'm going to tag again. This is a video though, so you could go and you can change the icon. We're going to change it to an arrow so they know that it's a video. We're going to save that tag. And you can keep going. You can put as many tags as you want. Go back to Thinglink, click here. This is a rule sheet. So I'm going to go back to my red dot. So you can make this as simple or complicated as it needs to be in order to get your point across. Just do a couple more. Okay, and now you see I have a total of 5 different tags. When you're done, you're just going to click Save, and it's going to put it in there. Now, you're able to go back and you can edit this, and you can add more tags if you need it. You can also comment on this throughout all the different Thinglinks, or you can share it. When you click on Share, it allows you all different sharing links to different Facebooks and Twitters, or even Pinterest, Google+, and it also gives you the link so you can add it to a website or embed it into a web page. Once you're done, if I take this and bring it up in a new page, you'll see that I'll have all my different resources. And once I click on this resource, it'll take me right to the math website that I chose. You can see now that using Thinglink is a great resource to curation of a total large amount of resources. I use it mostly in my education class. However, you can use this in a business, you can use this for fun, or you can use this in the educational setting. It's completely up to you, and it depends on what your story is. Thank you for listening.